Let's take a look at Multimedia Science's simple harmonic motion demonstration. So the demonstration is going to look at some simulations for a number of examples of simple harmonic motion: the spring, circular motion, and the pendulum. And the basic idea is that simple harmonic motion for all of these examples is basically the same. So here, for instance, is a spring. We can start, and you can see that typical simple harmonic motion, the object goes from one endpoint to another with an equilibrium point in the middle. You can also look at the force, the distance, the velocity, and the acceleration, and see how they change and stop it at any point, and then have students look at the results and see if they can then fill in the maximum, zero, or minimum for the force, the distance, the velocity, and the acceleration for the spring at the top end point, bottom end point, and the equilibrium point. Then we can go to circular motion. We can see that this is sort of like the spring sideways, and we can see how, looking at the circular motion from the side, we get the same motion as we had with the spring. We can then run the simulation. Again, you can see everything's the same. Students can be asked to look at these results and fill in the drop downs and find out that the force, distance, velocity, and acceleration is the same. Simple harmonic motion, different example, same results. You can even have them check the answers and see if they can't keep going until they get it right. Same basic idea for the pendulum. Same simulation, same results. And there's also a simulation of what would happen as far as the displacement, the velocity, and the acceleration if we would look at these as the object goes through its periodal motion and see how the curves change. They're offset to a certain degree. So you could have the students do a graph of this ahead of time. Stop it at any point. Ask the students, what will this look like 1/2 of a period later? There's also energy graphs. See a very similar pattern. You can see that the kinetic energy and the potential energy are 180 degrees offset, so that the total energy is conserved. So this is the simple harmonic motion demonstration. Very nice to use with an overhead projector. Have the students help you with the calculations, and great illustration of the properties of simple harmonic motion. Interested in the simple harmonic motion demonstration by Multimedia Science? Please go to Teachers Pay Teachers at this URL. Multimedia Science has many science materials in the areas of physics and chemistry, simulations, games, experiments, challenges, teacher tools, specialize in a number of game-making utilities. So please check us out. Thanks.